Hello world, this is Chris with Elevations, doing another unboxing today. As you can see here, this is a standard all-purpose rotary kit. So this is actually a kit that I was given by Ryobi to do this unboxing. So I want to go ahead and open this guy up and see what we have. Something to keep in mind if you are working on smaller projects, saying robotics, or if you're working on drone systems, or a lot of different types of things that need intricate work, a small rotary tool is very useful for that type of work. So let's open this guy up and see what we have. There's a lot of different pieces that come in this kit. It is certainly beneficial when you need to have a single kit to reach for to do a lot of the different types of projects that you're working on. Let's see if we can get this guy to open up. There we are. Flip this around. Take off the cover. Okay, so here's what we have. Let's get this better in the view here and see what we're looking at. Okay, so as you can see here, it is saying 120 piece. There's a whole lot of pieces in this kit. With that count, however, it is like all these individual discs here that you see in these rotary pieces. So there's a lot of different things here. These different types of stones are beneficial for different types of applications. And then you have these pieces right here where they have the screws on the top here. So typically what you'll do is you put in one of these cutoff discs inside of there and sandwich it together, and that's what you use for a cutting disc. Let's see what we have in this bottom little piece. It is kind of cool. It comes in all these little packaged areas. So if you take this kit with you somewhere, you got a lot of things that you might need. It's just like a soft brush right here. This is the kit. This is the tool that you actually utilize to tighten the pieces directly on your rotary tool. If we'll pull one of these guys out, so if you see the top of this, that is a flat head, and this tool right here makes it nice and simple to tighten and loosen for your rotary application. If we say open this guy up, that's that rotary cutoff disc. So you will typically utilize this. You stick that screw through the center hole there, utilizing your tool, tighten that down, and then insert the shaft directly into your rotary tool, tighten it down on that, and that's what gives you that cutting capability. And typically for a lot of small types of things, it's really, really convenient to be able to use something like that. See what we have right here. This small compartment gives you a couple different things. Looks like we have a little bit of solvent there, a small stone, a couple miscellaneous little things that you probably won't use a whole lot, but it's nice to have when you do. And then it looks like, let's see, that's 1.25 inches, so this is a slightly larger disc. Certainly a lot larger of a cutoff disc or grinding disc there. Then you have a lot of those thinner pads as well. This device right here, so if you look at this, the exterior of this is actually rubber. And the purpose there is you take these grinding pads, so this is a sanding circular disc here. And if I pull one of these out, you put this around the outside of this, and then you can use that to grind on wood. That helps just with a little bit of a fine sanding type of application. And you can see here there's multiple different rolls here. There are different sizes. This is the smaller rubber piece here for these smaller ones, and these are different grit counts on these different pieces. Put that back where we got it from. So I'll tell you, most of the time what I will utilize is these smaller stones for grinding little bits away, and then the cutoff discs, I'll go through a lot of cutoff discs, and those are very, very beneficial to have. So that's certainly something nice to put in the toolkit for future projects. My name is Chris with Elevations. As always, I do hope you learned something today. Please like and subscribe below. Thank you for watching.